already know, I'm gonna go ahead and start recording again. It's gonna be another accident right here on Hampton Boulevard because people are so damn nosy. Okay, what he did, just put a ticket inside the white vehicle. But whenever he do get his car, he do have a ticket waiting on him on the inside of the vehicle. Right now, I think the people already been taken to the hospital. Driving license has been given back to the man in the SUV. Right here. You're on the scene. Straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. You're on the scene. Straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. We on the scene, baby! Yes, I am Rhoda Young. I am reporting live, and yes, I am on the scene of it. Straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. Straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. I want to make them famous. See, can I get that interview? I'm gonna press my luck. Get that interview, y'all. I'm gonna get that interview. Got to get that interview. And somebody coffee cup is on the ground. Yes, we still got cars coming knowing they cannot get down the street. It's just a decoy to be nosy. I am Rhoda Young reporting live, straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. Trying to get this interview. So I need the interview. I need to get the interview. As soon as the officer leave, I'm gonna be on it. We're gonna get the interview. How did this accident happen? What caused this accident? Who was driving? Where's the other driver at? And yes, we are on the scene of it. On the scene, straight out of Norfolk, Virginia. Can I join the conversation?
No, ma'am, they're not wanting to talk to you right now.
Okay, y'all don't want to be famous? Hey, this is once in a lifetime to be famous. I'm Hollywood. I'm Hollywood. Hollywood want to talk to you. Hollywood want to talk to you, baby. Look, I got a contract with BET. I got a TV show about to come out. Let me get that interview. Help a sister out. It's for the ratings. All right, thank you. Let me come on this side or that side. Let's do it. Oh, he said no, thank you. Oh, tell me how that white truck did that, though. You let how I ease that little question up in there anyway. That's how you ease it on in there. I'm glad you're doing better, but can I ask you one question though? Did that person go to the hospital? He hit and ran. What? I go find his ass. Tell me what color he had on. I guarantee you I can find him. I know one thing. He got a ticket in that damn car. And the police put it in there. Hey, you married, sir? You married? Dang, I'm about to get a divorce. I'm about to try to hook up with you. Thanks, guys. I love y'all. Have a blessed day.